Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs here on YouTube. I'm here today with a printable kit reveal by Tina Loves to Craft, and this one's Alanis Dreams or Alana's Dreams journaling pages. This is 13. This kit has a total of 40 pages, and it comes in 3 different files, but it's all one printable kit. Okay, so I'm going to start with this one here, which is the journaling pages. You have this one with script and roses. Then you have the green background with the script and the little girl here in the frame. This one's cute. I like that. I might just print this one again and I got an idea for that. This one you have the roses, the bird, and the lines in the background. Here you have a graph paper, another frame with roses. Idea for that one. This one you have lines in the background. You got a little girl in the background. Well, the lines have popped up front, but the pictures are the picture of the little girls in the back. You got roses here, feathers here, and you have some kind of motif over here. And then you have this green one that looks like it's either tea dyed or coffee dyed, but in green with flowers and feathers. And then you have this one that has the line paper again, because these are all journaling pages. You got your feathers and your roses. And here you have the motif in the background with a lace border. Your roses, feathers, and your bird here. Your feathers and roses up there. And then you have this one that has the motif with the lines, roses, and feathers. Again, lines. Here's a frame and your roses. This one has leaves on vine with script. Then you have this one that's coffee or tea dyed, whichever, with doilies on it. You have the same thing here. Doily with the coffee or tea stain background. Now that's file number 1. Okay. Let me put this back here. I'm going to put this to the side. Same thing. This is part 2. Okay. Now here you got your pockets with the motif and the lady here with the roses. You got the little girl. So it's basically the journaling pages on your pockets here. So you have this one. You have this one. I like this pocket. Then you have these pockets. And this one has postal stamp on it. Then you have bookmarks, or you can turn them into tags if you like. And you have these embellishments. Pocket, journaling card, a little tuck spot. Here's your pockets, same thing here. And then you have these 3 in a frame, and these little tabs here. And then we have these 2 journaling pages. And then you have the tags with the journaling spaces. You got the lace here, and you got some ATC coins there. You got your tags with the flowers and the little girl. Your laces here, lace borders, I should say. Here's some tuck spots and another ephemera. Here's all ephemera here. You got to stamp the birds with roses, bird's nest, birds on a nest, and all of that. Then you have your postcard and 2 pieces of ephemera. Again, you have your slotted pockets with journaling and ephemera. Here's your pockets, tags. And then again, you have another slotted with a postcard. Okay, that's part 2 to the Alanis kit. Okay, so it's a total of 40 pages in here. Now for part 3, it's more journaling pages. Okay, you have this one with the bird and the writing and the flower. You have like a light to dark background, an ombre background, and you have, looks like a piece of paper or something in the background here with the script. Then you have this with the birds, the motif, the roses. Again, it looks like either tea or coffee stain. I don't know. Here's the roses. I don't know. This looks like a part of like when you do a wall. It has texture and your lace border. Here's your script with your roses. Then you have the rose, the leaves on a vine, and the script in the background. Then your motif with the leaves, the feathers, and the roses. And then you have your bird with the leaf and flowers. Again, oops, your either tea or coffee with script. Again, with your motif and feathers. And that's it. And that one had 11 pages. So this is part 3. It all comes in 3 parts, okay? But it's all one kit. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please be kind, be caring, be crafty, be blessed, be safe, be positive. And if you haven't done so already, hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do premiere. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And bye-bye for now.